welcome back, and I get a driving lesson. Just leaving Almazán and heading off to Agrono via the Bodega that Dave likes to visit in Navarrete. Gosh, where's reverse? I have reversed before. My side, yeah?
Yeah. It's going to be tight. You have to go over the curb. That might come my side a bit more. And go slowly down the curb now. We should have gone out the other way, really.
I can do this. Can I? Put my back end on that post.
You're fine. Just watch the side of that van when you go around it. You can go towards the curb more now.
Which way now? My side.
My side.
Your side. So tell me the other way.
No, don't do that.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Look.
Watch these potholes. Okay, my side. Well, after the ring road around Madrid, as you can see, things are pretty quiet here. What a beautiful drive and a beautiful day. So today the route takes us to Soraya, where we've stayed by the river before. We're picking up some cheap fuel there, 135, and then Tiffany's going to go and get a raincoat, as we said before. She left it behind. So are you going to Decathlon, is it?
Yep.
And then from there we're heading to Navarrete to pick up the wine from the Bodega. Then we go a short hop to Logrono, stay there on the air tonight, walk around town this afternoon, hopefully, and then we'll be into France tomorrow, heading past Bayonne and up to one of our favourite places, Ons. Might chill out there for another day, see what the weather has to offer us anyway. But yeah, lovely colours today.
Top down, hear the sound of the breeze carrying us away. Dust in the rear view, free as a bird. This is our town, no matter what they say.
Our favourite Spanish road worker.
He gets about a bit.
2 seconds to go past.
I've arrived.
At the Bodega.
Yeah, Vino Tinto, here we come.
Oh, the eagle-eyed amongst you will realise we didn't go to Logrono. We've come back to Ayegui, back to the red wine monastery fountain thing. We just decided
We couldn't be bothered, could we, doing a city-sized place this time of year with 2 dogs to do tapas.
Well,
and beer.
We haven't actually researched into Logrono.
No, we haven't, no.
And when we read the reviews, it was like over 7 metres might struggle.
Yeah.
Yada yada yada.
Yeah, and it's not really a what's the word, an official air, is it?
No.
You know, so yeah. We were just thinking about leaving the van if there weren't many people there. and walking
it's
around.
been quite quiet on the way up, hasn't it?
It has,
really?
everywhere we've been, it's been really quiet, yeah. So, yeah, we thought we'd like it here anyway. Well, we've been here once before, but it's nice to come here in the autumn. Look at the colour of those vines. So we're going for a mooch around.
Oh, we didn't bring a
cup.
vessel.
Oh, we'll have to go back.
What a disaster already.
We forgot to bring a cup for the free red wine.
Useless. Totally useless we are. Anyway, we're also half an hour closer to the French border, so
Yeah,
makes it easier tomorrow for us.
exactly.
Anything for an easy life these days, hey Dave?
Yeah,
Hey Zenna? You don't care, do you, Luna? I have my thimble full cup. We're all ready now. Let's go.
right, I'm going to take a photo from here.
David Bailey's come in. He's going to take a photo of the monastery. And just below the monastery there is Fountain of Red Wine. Not the Fountain of Youth. Over there in the corner, you can just make out in front of the monastery. There's the sign for the Fuente de Vino, the Fountain of Vino. It's a huge monastery. You can go in it at certain days, but I don't know which days. I can't remember. And you also have a museum of wine. That's shut. Follow the sign. And here we are, once more at the fountain. We definitely want the vino, not the agua. Oh, it's got a puddle on the floor.
You what?
Puddle on the floor. Look how much we got this time. It's a bit more than a thimbleful. Cheers, dear.
I'll be back with an empty bottle.
Still very Ribena-y.
It's Ribena and it is a little rough around the edges.
Well, they're not going to give you the good stuff. You can't have any, Lena. You're too young. Cheers. And just over there where that sports centre building is where the Air Park the motorhome. And we're just heading into Ayegui. Taking it easy following Dave's surgery, so it's just nice, easy time for a few weeks, isn't it, dear?
Yeah. It's quite relaxing.
Anyway, look at the lovely vines. And Guy is on the pilgrimage trail, isn't it? Into Estella.
Steps up there, look.
Up. It's always up.
Every mile behind only brought us here. Now the road is clear. Shotgun ride on my Friday night. Sunset fire burning in our eyes. Let's see the past in the past. Deal with it another day.
Oh, it's windy.
All we got is this open road. No plans, just a cranked up radio.
And over there is the Air. There's 3 vans at the moment.
Girl, I'm loving the ride.
We've just been told by a local Spanish lady that there are a couple of deer legs, we think, up here, and to just watch it with the dogs. Apparently it's not a very nice sight, so we shall see. If we understood her,
Well,
but very nice of her to stop.
we told her in Spanish, we didn't speak much Spanish, and then she spoke a bit of English, so yeah.
We'll see. Anyway, it's very nice of her to stop. And
It
tell
was.
us.
She was very friendly. This happens to me once every day, by the way. I get stopped by Spanish people and asked directions or where's the nicest restaurant and things like that.
I thought you were going to say people are friendly to you. Here we go. If you're squeamish or something, look away now. Oh, poor little dear. Hooves are still there, but that's about it. Poor little thing.
Yeah.
Right, just coming back to the Air from the other side, just doing a little circular bit. And the monastery in the background. And that's one tall mountain behind it. Just got back from the walk and Dave's going to top up the oil in the engine. I don't know if it needs it, whether he's just preempting or he's just going to have a look and see. Still not sure. Going back in. I assume it's all good because he's not putting any in. And in no time at all, we make France and Ons, one of our favourite beach stops. Watching, hope you enjoyed the vlog. See you next time as we head up through France.